Do you remember Avengers Infinity War? It came out and it was like perfect, all of it. Like over pretty much what felt like 24 movies and years of some of like the most insane things just for you to sit at the end credits and wait for some random A-list actor to make another debut. It was the best movie. And then Endgame came out, right? And it showed us what fan service and Disney could properly do when they do something right. Infinity War is the Airlift 3P system, a decade-old air suspension management system that by all intents and purposes was perfect. The touchscreen was perfect, the install was simple enough, and over the last 10 years, 100,000 of these 3P controllers have been installed on cars all around the world. So when Airlift came to us to say that they finally introduced a successor to it, I was a bit nervous. So today, you and I are looking at everything you'll need to know about this brand new system. And if you're looking to get a complete kit with struts and lines, compressors and more, pretty much an entire kit so you can just install it all in one go, you can go find your kit at the lowest price at martiniworks.com. So first off, let's explain ALP4 versus 3P. ALP4 by itself will run you right around $1,775 at the time of this video, and it puts it below the AccuAir E-level systems. Now it's the same with the Level Ride and Ride Tech, as well as Prozis, but higher than the Level Ride pressure-only system, and it's more expensive than Grind's air management. It's a pressure-based management system with an upgradable path for height sensors if you want it, but quite honestly, I don't think you will. So what's the move? You know, is this for past customers or new customers? Like, why make a new system? Well, over 10 years have started to show where the 3P system could be better. Now for me personally, I'll use my own personal experience. The biggest thing for me was always Diagnostics. The 3P system just couldn't actually calibrate on my wheels and tires. And the 3/8 line with my junkyard Ferrari, it dumped the air too fast and the ECU wouldn't catch it. And it still means that I have to be super tedious about calibration and setting it all up because right now it just can't do it. Now ALP4 has no problem calibrating. Why, you might ask? Because it's newer. And newer is almost always better. Not all the time, but you get my point. I'm gonna give you objective facts, okay? ALP4 is 3.5 times faster in information processing and management of your air ride than 3P. Also, this has 20 times more RAM than your 3P. Now, ALP4 also comes with a new wireless chipset to help the chit chat with your phone app. You can do it from further away, which is nice. But the things that helps me out the most is the calibrated adjustment tolerance, a new tool that basically it reduces the system hunting for the preset pressures that you selected and nails it in the first mark. Also, the Manifold is all in one. It's got integrated ECU, solenoids, and pressure sensors. By the way, please don't forget to subscribe. That would really be nice. And if you're looking for a kit, martiniworks.com. Now, how easy is ALP4 to install? So we actually just put this in the Ferrari and Stevens Lexus, and it's insane how smooth like the whole thing actually went. Even I, as a person who cannot seem to do anything right without blowing up a car, it actually only took me like 20 minutes. And this isn't about saying that 3P is bad. It just feels like you're going from like a $1,000 laptop to a $1,500 desktop to play video games. Like, it's noticeable. And there are a ton of quality of life improvements too. The show mode allows you to play with the system on a single ignition cycle versus having to fire up the car every time. You have a thing called standby mode, which gives you some time to play with the system even when the car is fully off. And show lift range gives you a more sensitive adjustment to dial in your show ride setup at the Expo Center. A lot of these things are all things that we've been doing manually by ourselves, but now the system can do it too. Now, no, you don't need a bunch of new wiring harnesses and pieces if you already have 3P. Like I said, me switching to ALP4 took about 20 minutes, with 15 of it just being the Ferrari mounted piece being a pain in my ass. Now, if you already have a simple mount, it's quite literally removing your push to connects from your lines, swapping out the actual ECU, plugging it back in, putting the lines back in, and you're set. That's it. So yeah, the 3P, it's like the iPhone 13. Get the job done super well. Pro Max, kind of the ALP4. I think that's the closest analogy I can do without getting weird. But the ALP4 is stacked with things most people have been asking for. Things like compressor performance testing to see when one is actually about to fail versus finding out at the show when you can't air up your car. It has something called a compressor crank offset. Now this is a big one again for the ALP430 and cars like it, because essentially you can give it a fixed window of when the car is powered on before the ECU turns on. And why this matters is because with some cars, when you open your door, your fuel pumps can prime. When you just turn the key to ignition on, it draws a ton of power, primes the engine, and you don't want the engine and ECU to be doing all of that while also sending a boatload of current to your ECU for your air suspension. Doesn't usually work that well. Now, this does give your battery in your car time to prioritize electrical ignition. Again, more quality of life improvements. The system still has a valet mode. It has hidden hardware for sleek installs. It has a self-adhesive badge, and it's got a fancy integrated LED lighting piece that you can control and change from your phone. Essentially, it illuminates this, this, and this. And this is the whole thing. It's actually very nice. Here's that hidden plug-in if you want. I use these two side pieces right here, and none's the wiser, okay? So what's really not so good? Well, not everything can be perfect. Like, we really think Captain Marvel coming in the movie and absolutely decimating the ship was like the easiest way to get rid of it in Endgame, but like, was that just a cop-out? So right out of the gate, the 3P controller was practically perfect. I loved how it felt. And the new ALP4 controller does feel different. It's more tactic. The buttons are more pronounced, but not everyone's gonna love this new design. So it may take a little bit of time to get used to. And also, it is thicker than the 3P. Now, what I will say is this damn near feels like an iPhone. Like, you just hold it in your hand, it has almost the same weight. And I know the engineers at Airlift Performance wanted it to be easily mountable to a magnet mount if you wanted to keep things easy in your car. Now, that's not in the brochure, but that is why you come to Martini Works. Now, outside of that, most people who are critical of this launch probably hate change in general. So I'm not sure I believe that much hate just yet, but I can see why some people might have a tough time just blindly upgrading from 3P, because the 3P system was properly good. Like, it is good, but the ALP4 is lightning quick, insanely intuitive, and wildly accurate, okay? And let's not forget the fact that obviously it has a bunch of customizable bits, especially if you're new to the automotive space. That's obviously very fun. But when we tested this on Steven's Lexus, just the difference in speed and in terms of input from here to the car going up and down, it felt like a digital experience versus an analog experience. They just weren't even on the same playing field. Now, we're obviously trying to make a video to people that have bought this before and to people that have never bought air suspension before. And I do want to call out that this has some nice stuff that you used to have to do yourself, like the near customizable or near fully customizable manifold setup for the lighting. And if you're new to the air suspension space, it's a good thing. I think the ALP4 is the way to go if you haven't been in it before. The 3P is good and it's effective, but it's a 10-year-old system now. ALP4 is slated to be that next system for the next decade of air suspension, folks. It's simple, it's clean, it's precise, and after getting it in 2 cars already, I can already hold my hat to the fire and say it's probably one of the best and most seamless air suspension management system upgrades right now. Now, that's biasly said at the same time as saying that if you want to get an airlift kit for your car without any second guessing, shipped right to your door for free, then mod your car with your friends over at martiniworks.com, because our kits are the cheapest for 3P and the brand new ALP4. Plus, you get a lifetime order support. And also, we spent a lot of time talking about if you already have a management system. But what if you don't? I will say that the ALP4 is actually a really great pick. If you guys have ever been on the fence, I think a lot of times people constantly criticize things that are new because they may not entirely understand it. And ALP4 is a hard thing to kind of talk about because all you can do is compare it to other things. At the end of the day, this is just a big, heavy metal box that does stuff and things. It's like a tire. You really have to know the insides of this to feel like you're getting the value of spending a good chunk of money, almost $1,800. But when you are new to the air suspension space, there is something very convenient about getting a kit that's pretty much ready to rock and roll. And if you do that, if you start off with a new kit, you get everything that you need in terms of the wiring bits and pieces, the actual harness that we already have in the car. A lot of that stuff comes right with you, and installation is very, very easy. There have been a few people that I've seen that said that they don't quite understand why ALP4 would come out. They said 3P was perfect, or they don't like this design or something like that already. And I think that's a little bit weird, because when you think about how successful 3P was over the past decade, it is by far and large the most successful air management system to ever be created for silly little folks like us that love modifying their car. And so if you spent 10 years refining something so that you could launch a new version of it, there is a sense of trust that I think the team over at Airlift Performance is truly doing it right. And my brief experience with it so far has proven that to be accurate, because it is a properly incredible system. It is almost perfect in everything. And the only thing that I would ever recommend for you guys, if you're interested in learning a little bit more, you can obviously check out the website where we do a little bit more of an in-depth comparison between the 3P and ALP4. But honestly, easy upgrade path, definitely recommend, totally worth it. and the quality of life improvements on this system are gonna make you forget about all the pain points that you once had with probably your current air management system. So let me know what you think, and of course, thank you guys and gals so much for watching. ModYourCar@MartiniWorks.com. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Alex Martini, and we will see you tomorrow.